Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding a suitable image on Google. Type a specific query, and then use tools to filter size to large so you get high-resolution results that won't blur on your screen. Once you see the image you want, right-click and choose Save As, then pick a clear folder like Pictures. Make sure the file name is short and descriptive so you can find it quickly. This reduces mistakes when setting the wallpaper in the next steps. Now set the image as your wallpaper through Settings. Open Settings, go to Personalization and open Background. Choose Background Type, Picture, then click Browse and navigate to the saved image in Pictures. Select the file and wait a second for the preview to load. The system will show how it looks. Next, pick the Fit option, Fill or Span for multi-monitor setups, because that controls cropping and scaling. Finish by confirming both desktop and lock screen if desired. Open lock screen settings and select the same image or Windows Spotlight. If the wallpaper looks blurry or cropped, reopen the image in an editor and resave at your display's native resolution, then reapply it. If the change doesn't stick, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or check that the image file isn't read-only and is stored locally. These quick fixes solve most issues, so you won't have to repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.